Sparkling winter snowflakes come to life in your hand. In this beading tutorial, learn how to make a solid colored one. After that, have fun mixing your favorite color combinations of crystals and seed beads. This would be a beautiful set to make and give as a gift. I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. I'll show you bead by bead how to make one arm of the snowflake. You can then repeat it for a total of 4 times. And finish it up with a simple loop of beads at the top to hang it from. The supplies that you need to make one snowflake are 32 of the 4mm bicone crystals and size 11 seed beads. And today I'm using Fireline and an 8-pound along with a size 12 beading needle. Begin by putting 3 feet of thread on your needle to do the complete snowflake. Starting with 4 seed beads on your needle, bring that down near the end of your thread. Needle back through all 4 of your seed beads, and then come back through the first one. Turning this into a unit of right angle weave, and then putting 1 seed bead between each one. And then come into the sticking out seed bead and trim off the tail. 3 crystals and back through your seed bead. Stepping up through this one. 1 crystal and seed bead repeated 3 times. Bringing that next to these. And then skipping the seed bead on the end, coming back through just the crystal. Pulling the seed bead up next to the crystal. Hang on to it and get any slack out of your line if you need to. 1 seed bead and 1 crystal repeated twice. Coming into this one here. And then needle through the seed bead, pulling it tight. Coming through 1 crystal, the crystal in the middle, picking up 3 more seed beads and coming back through the crystal. Come through 2 seed beads. Picking up 1 more and needling through this one here. Coming up through this one beside it. 1 more seed bead. Back through the middle one underneath your crystal. Coming up 1 and back through this crystal here in the middle. And then needling towards the center, back through here, and then needle up to the next point of your center. Work on number 2, 3, and 4. When you complete number 4, go ahead and come back through the seed bead here between your crystals and needle in through 1 more crystal. Picking up 1 more seed bead, needle into the crystal beside it, heading towards the center of your snowflake. Through the size 11 at the base between the crystals, and repeat that all the way around, coming up 1 crystal, adding 1 11, and coming down the crystal beside it. After adding the last seed bead, I'll just needle into one more seed bead at the base along my edge up here to the point. And through the seed bead here. Depending on how large you like your loop, just pick up about 7 seed beads, more or less, and come back through the one that your thread is exiting. And retrace this thread path a few times. Coming back around for the last time. I already went around this probably 5 or 6 times through the seed bead at the top of the crystals, and then back down and through the crystal. I'm just going to come down the edge of my beads a little ways, working towards the center. And trimming off my thread. Enjoy making beaded snowflakes to keep or give as a gift. And as always, have a beautiful day.